I left all this work here from the prior problem that we just worked through, which was converting the debt, the bonds into stock, and redeeming the bonds early, because the next part of the problem asks us to record the conversion again, but converting the debt not just by the bond holders voluntarily coming to us and converting to the stock, but instead we're kind of forcing them. We're not forcing them, but we're persuading them or inducing them, asking them to please convert your bond. And if you do that, in exchange, we'll give you $150 cash in addition to the shares that you get if you'll do this. So that's what we call an induction. It's also known as a sweetener, and it's a way for a company to move debt to equity in a very efficient manner. So it's fairly simple, the accounting for this induction. And when we worked through it in class, we said that the induction is recorded as a current expense in the accounting period in which the induction is paid for or takes place. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to debit an account called debt conversion cost or something like that, something descriptive. The point being that this is an expense account, and it's expensed in the current accounting period, reducing profit when it's paid. And so we have to figure out the amount, right? And so thankfully we've got this calculation over here. You probably don't remember what it is, but the face value of the bonds is $200 million. Each bond has a face value of $1,000, meaning we have 200,000 bonds outstanding. We're going to convert 90% of those, which is 180,000 bonds. So the cash we have to come up with to induce conversion is the 180,000 bonds times $150. In other words, and this is a fairly hefty price, $27 million is what we have to pay to induce that conversion. So we're going to record an expense in the current accounting period for put too many zeros there, for 27, still got too many zeros there, for $27 million, and we credit cash for the same $27 million.